Welcome to my latest video on how to create a web page. My name is Pixie and it is a pleasure to meet you, and I've been doing IT for over 15 years. I've created web pages for 6 of these years. Before we get started, I will apologize. I'm using a new screen recorder called Movavi. We will see how that goes. Hopefully it is good. Now back to our web pages. I know that there are many tools out there which will allow you to create a web page simply and easily for you. There are also many templates that you can apply to your site. But for me, I always want to know the underlying mechanics of creating a web page. There are no boundaries of what you can do on a web page, and it immediately gets in touch with a broad international audience at a low cost. I'm going to show you step by step the process of how to create a web page, whilst you will understand the basics of HTML without any tools. Now you can use Notepad for this. However, personally, I prefer Notepad++ because it provides the start and end tags, and you will see this in a moment. Firstly, I'm going to open Notepad++. Now, you can see that Notepad++ isn't actually installed on this PC, so we're going to go and get it. So we go to Chrome, and in Google we type in Notepad++. And it is the first one, so we click on that, and we click download, and it downloads, and then we click on that, and we go yes, and we go okay, and we go next, we go agree, next, next, and install. And finish. And Notepad++ will now open. We will now close Chrome and open Notepad++. And we'll click on the little new icon to open a new Notepad. And we'll start by typing in our start and end HTML tags. So start and end HTML. And we're now going to save that to our desktop. I'm just going to call it test.html. Now we're going to go to the page and open it. And it'll open in our browser. And as you'll notice that the page is blank. That is because we haven't done anything to it yet. This is to be expected. I find it useful when developing my page to have the browser open at the same time as Notepad++. This allows me to see the progression as you create the web page. So now let's go back to Notepad++. Now inside our HTML tags, we're going to put in our title tag to give the page a title. So we type in title. And, oops, close title. And now we click save. And now we go back to our page and we click refresh. And now you can see the title is now appearing in our top bar here. We go back to Notepad++. And now we can add some content in. So we're about to cover headings, paragraphs, bold, italic, underline, links, lists, and images. So the number one, headings. So headings can be added inside our body tag. So we type in our start and end body tag. And a heading can simply be added in by using the H. Now it can be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, etc., etc. So we're going to use H1, heading 1, in H2, heading, don't know where my typing skills have gone today. I must need more coffee. So now we have 2 headings. Now we want to put some text in here. Now text can be added in through number 2 paragraphs. So paragraphs can be added in by adding the P tag. So we're going to add in, this is a paragraph. Geez, my typing is really bad today. I apologize for that. And we can copy and paste that down here. So words can be changed by bold by starting the B tag. So we're going to change paragraph to bolded. We're going to add in some more. Adding in some more. And we're going to underline and italic those words that are italic. So to italic, it is an I. And to underline is a U. Now, if we save this and go back to our browser and we refresh our page is looking a little better, and you can see the bold, italic, and underline. You can see the paragraphs, you can see the headings. It is actually starting to look a little bit better, so that's good. So we go back to our little document here, and we're going to add in a link. So to add in a link, it is a href tag. So we're going to make the link text a link, and it is not going to go anywhere. I just want to show you. So to go nowhere is that, and then to close our link. So I'm also going to add in some bullet points under here. So to add in bullet points, it is UL for a bullet list. Now I like to make my code a little pretty. This is a bullet list. And to make a numbering list, I'm just going to copy and paste that. So instead of UL, we're going to make it OL. OL. And we're going to close that tag. Now, if we go back to our page and have a review of that now, isn't this page looking better? Can you believe it, in the few simple lines of code that our page is turning into a web page? Obviously, it has a lot more further to go, but this is all we have time for. This is the basics of HTML. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to watching for my next video.